We are making history here as leaders from churches, NGOs, and communities across the nation join together in this fight against human trafficking.
Magkaisa, ipaglaban ang aking dangal. This is the church clarion call to every follower of Jesus Christ. This is the call of the time. Neglecting this call is tantamount to neglecting the call of God.
You know, I think some of the most important work of civil society groups is actually not to replicate the work of government, but actually to support and enhance the effectiveness of the work of our government partners. And so that's a big part of what we're about at IJM.
And this day will be a good day to start with, to say we are together fighting against human trafficking. We are together